Hello mga kabidyo! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will show you how we are going to be unboxing the new BOSE Solo Soundbar Edition 2. We just went to Costco today and we saw it and we tried it and it's really nice. So, what are you guys waiting for? We're gonna open it. I will show you guys what's inside. Ito na! Part mga ka-BJ. Oh my god. We just bought this and we're so excited what's inside. Look at this brand new BOSE. Let's see. I guess they have a pamphlet to show all the instructions are here. Yeah, we're gonna have that. And then here comes the house. New speaker. Like this. Beautiful! Look at this new BOSE speaker. Nice! Beautiful, brand new. You can either use Bluetooth or you can connect it to your TV to have a better sound. Like you're watching in a cinema or theater. This. We just bought it. I think this is, I don't know what this is. That's just the box. So this is the BOSE, and I don't know what's inside of this box. Here's the thing, I guess, to connect it to the TV. I don't know what's in here. We'll see what's inside. Oh, these are all the cable, the charger. We have. Oh, I guess this is the one for the TV. I don't know what this is for. I'm gonna search around. Go from there. What's this for? I'll search. Wait a second. Of course, we need the remote. We have the remote right here. BOSE remote. And then we have. I don't know what this is. Oh, I guess to connected to the TV, connected to the stand. I wanna open this one. I wonder what's inside. I'm gonna open it now. Just wanna see what. Oh, this is. Oh, I guess to connect it on the wall. You wanna connect it to the wall, but we're not gonna do that. I just wanna show you guys what's inside. Ah, yeah, this is the one for the wall. See, if you want to connect it to your wall, you can do that as well. Ta-da! So, if you're gonna ask how much this is, it's very pricey, but it's worth it, I believe. So, for now, we're gonna try to install it, and we're gonna try the sound. Okay, mga kabidi, wait lang! So now we're gonna install the new speaker and connect it to our new, hindi pala new TV to, our old TV. Next time, we're gonna buy a new TV. Charis! Anyways, so here, we're gonna give it a try. We're gonna try installing it, mga kabili. Are we gonna place it here?
Pero baka na to, bakit meron ano yun?
No, what?
Ayun mo,
What is that, a stand?
baka yung sa ano, asan yung instruction? Ano naman yung loob?
I don't think so.
Baka ano to?
We'll see, we'll find out. We'll open it.
Kasi yung instruction.
Oh, parang siyang glass, ano. Oh, it's like a sticky pad, parang ganon. Parang siyang sticky pad. Meron pa pala. I didn't know there's something inside pa. Here. It's like at the bottom, I guess. I don't know what this is. What this is for. Maybe it's for the bottom. What does it say on the instruction? About this. Maybe something like that. I don't know.
So,
We're gonna try.
saan mo ano ito? Connect mo to.
Wait, I'm gonna read. Basa-basa din dapat sa instruction. We're gonna try. Oh, the other side is French.
Kasi nga remote.
Oh, there.
It's connecting.
Oh, it's connected. I don't think it's part of it. Ano naman nakalagay? It looks like, I don't know. Baka sa ano lang to, sa box. Nakalagay lang sa box. So it won't touch the thing. Speaker.
Ito naman.
Because I don't think it's for here.
No? Paano lang yun?
This side
Extra
naman.
lang.
See, we'll see how it goes. Wall bracket guys pala yun. Yung mga ano, pang wall na parang. Exciting. We'll see. Ano? Ako din. Saan mo siya i-connect dito? See if this will work.
I need a flashlight.
Huh? Wait.
Got it for the sun comes
Oh my goodness! I can hear my vlog right now. Playing.
So,
Right there.
we decided to go we'll just eat by the park for now. Since it's a beautiful
We're
sunny
gonna play something else.
Play a
It's
music.
very-
I can't play a music. It's gonna be copyright.
Maganda. Beautiful, 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 beautiful sun. Wala tayong patungan. Sayang. Dahil hindi ko natala yung patungan ko. To put my phone. Doesn't have a stick. It's in my car.
You know, let's just try to watch TV Patrol.
So what? You wanna eat here or what? What's the plan? Plan to play.
Lakas mo yung sound. While it's playing. Ay, baka pala yun. Try mo yun.
Mula sa ABS-CBN View Center, Manila, ito ang
That's it?
TV Patrol Weekend!
Magandang gabi Pilipinas, kami ang mga patrol ng Pilipinas.
Nagbabalita at naglilingkod sa inyo saan man
I can't.
Tagalog.
Ano bang mga natin?
Tagalog music. Moira.
And that's all for my short vlog for today, mga kabidyo. I just wanted to show you what we bought and what we did for unboxing for today's video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Until my next vlog, mga kabidyo. But always remember, don't forget to always like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, please, and help me get more subscribers. Thank you, mga kabidyo. Until my next vlog, bye-bye!